according to your Apple Watch model and a protection cover. Apple will charge for the screen replacement. Let's get started. Cost might be changed in the future, so check out this video description for updated cost. Apple Watch Series 4 screen replacement and other service. Out of warranty service fee for Apple Watch Series 4 is $299 to $399. That is categorized on GPS, cellular, and models on metal. Screen replacement cost for Apple Watch Series 3. Out of warranty service fee for Apple Watch Series 3 is $229 to $800. That is categorized on GPS, cellular, and models on metal. Screen replacement cost for Apple Watch Series 2 and Series 1. Out of warranty service fee for Apple Watch Series 2 and Series 1 is $199 to $800. That is categorized on metal type. Screen replacement cost for Apple Watch First Generation. Out of warranty service fee for Apple Watch First Generation is $199 to $2,800. AppleCare Plus service covered for Apple Watch is $69 to $79. In my last video tutorial, I show you how to check the Apple Watch warranty status online quickly. If your Apple Watch and under warranty charges are applied as of given below details.